Good morning. This video is going to be very short, and for the promise I made that I will be making videos on how to use IQ option, signal has popped up pre-call, that is pre-alert on about four currency pair or five, and this is NZUSD. I will go to my what is it called, IQ option now, and I'm going to look for NZUSD. On your IQ option, all you need to do is you click on this plus sign, then you click on options. Look at, click on this plus sign, you click on options, and you type the currency pair here. I have already typed it, and I'm here with NZUSD, and this is 15 minutes expiration. So once now this is 15 minutes expiration, so you come here and you look for the time that is going. Now my own time on my computer is 9:14, so the next expiration will be 9:30, so I will pick 9:30 here. The same thing I did, and the signal is call. It is what it is called. So I'll be trading up. Look at, in the next 5 seconds I'll be trading up. So now this is several windows that you can trade for, having about 4 minutes to the end of the trades. So I'll be getting ready for just one level of Montague. You see, this is binary option trading. Two trades are in the money, though one of them is swinging. So now this one that is out of the money, I will click on new option, and I would like to impute $9. Then the expiration is going to be 9:45 because this one will expire by 9:30. Another 15 minutes will be 9:45. Look at, I selected 9:45 here, and also here I will just pick it and I will select my time, 9:45. The amount is $8. Level of Montague. So only one was margin. NZUSD was 1, NZJPY was 1, GBP, JPY, they are here. Look at the signal here on this chart. It was 1. I traded EURCHF lost, but the first Montague is now in the money. I traded Euro GPY was lost. I traded Montague, it is now in the money, but the previous signals were 1.